Okay, talk.
Okay. This is number
29?
no, 19.
19.
19 on our bucket list is to steal a street sign. So we have these street signs and we have those up there. But those are too high, so we're just gonna take this street sign right here and hopefully nobody. Oh, we didn't bring anything. Lucy. I got it. This is a pretty sign though. Almost there? Yeah. Alright, I got it.